I wanted to share with you some glasses that I recently came across online, and I wanted to try them on for you. I think glasses really like take your look, your style, like over the top vintage. Now, I certainly feel very retro or vintage when I don't have my glasses on, but I just think they really give you that sassy flair and spice to your appearance. So I have several different lenses or frames that I have collected recently that I wanted to share with you. Stay tuned for the end for a little fun little exercise with glasses. Okay, so for the lenses, this is the first pair of lenses that I got. They have a brown tortoise shell frame and fun little crystals and gold wire frames. And I bought these because my hair is kind of like a reddish brown, and I like the brown tortoise shell because it's a little bit less harsh perhaps than the like really stark black frames. Like so. And in this, for this purpose, there's not really much of a difference, but I prefer to wear these when I have black in my outfit. But yeah, I like to wear these when I'm wearing evening wear, or maybe a little bit more of a dark, sinister sort of outfit on. These are the first pair of frames that I got like a year ago. They were my first retro pair of frames, and I have to say, on the level of personal flair and spice, they are quite spicy. They're quite spicy. So they're just like a cat eye type of frame of frames. I suppose the only thing I don't like about these, a year later in hindsight, is that the frame here is just thick enough, or maybe I just wear them too high on my face. I don't know, they're just thick enough that they cover up or hide my eyebrows too much. So I don't really like that my face or my eyebrows take on the frames, and you can't really see my eyebrows after that. But yeah, I actually really like these. These are super fun. They are, again, the tortoise shell with some gold sort of metal and some I think it's a black. Let me look. No, it is a like a brown wiring, brown wire framing underneath it there. But these actually have a molded nose piece, which I don't mind. The other ones have like little nose pads. But yeah, I actually got these off of eBay for like $8.99. Alright, so this pair is the last of the cat eye sort of appearance to the frames, and I find that these are a little bit lower on the flair and spice and everything nice. Oh no, not that they're not nice, but I think they're just a little bit more of a whisper of that retro flair. These are plastic frames with a molded nose piece, and they have like an ombre type of frame or color to the frame, so like darker up here and then lighter when it gets down to the bottom of the lens. Yeah, and they have like a little bit of a gold inset sort of detail here, which is like plastic painted. But yeah, I think these are the least spicy or flair of the retro. So if you're just starting out and you don't really want to go completely wowsy with the frames, then you could certainly go with these. Of course, going from absolutely no frames, it's gonna be an adjustment, but if you're not quite interested in going like full on spicy frames, then these are probably a good option to go with. I think these were relatively cheap as well, $6.99 a pair, or they also come in a lot of different colors, but still the ombre design. So they come in like teal and purple and yellow and stuff like that. So them being that decently cheap, they can go with a lot of different outfits, and they still have that little touch of a flair instead of totally immersing you. Like the studious librarian sort of look. I actually do like these, I just don't wear them very much. I kind of find that the round frames, the round lenses just kind of accentuate the roundness of my face. But they're cute. I do really like these, especially if I'm trying to play up a librarian type look. A pair of shades, or a pair of sunglasses that I bought off of Amazon, and I have to say they're that stereotypical cat eye sunglasses. As far as them being, I think they're UV protection, and the frames are plastic with a molded nose piece, and the framing is that ombre framing again, with it being darker at the top and a little bit lighter at the bottom. So again, I got these off of Amazon, and these were like $9.99 a pair. So I found this chart about how people adjust their frames. It's going to be one of those unconscious, sort of you reach up and you adjust them and you don't really think about it, okay? So there's a couple of fun ones, and I think there's some BS ones here, but but anyways, I'm going to go through them and I'm going to demonstrate all of the exercises, and then I'm going to demonstrate how I adjust my lenses or my frames, okay? So for the first one is the regular, okay? So how you regularly adjust your frames. Okay, so the second one is the scholar. Okay, so the contempt, and then the sassy, and then there is the know-it-all, which just gets fingerprints all over your frames. Which is really weird. Okay, and then there is the Facebook-like. Okay, I don't really understand that one. Okay, the Facebook-like, and then the double Facebook-like, and then the double Facebook-like, and then the Jedi, I guess would be more of a, like that. I guess that's how they're demonstrating, okay? So I know those are really funny, okay? And some of them I don't really find to be convenient, realistic ways to adjust your glasses, especially the know-it-all. As far as which way I adjust my glasses, I primarily do the scholar, which is this. Okay, and sometimes I do the sassy, which is a little bit of a, you know, this sort of action, like that. Yeah, so thank you for participating in this little glasses or lens frame exercise, and let me know in the comments below how you adjust your lenses.